Hey everyone, it's Zip Dude here doing a review on my Sohida electric lunchbox. I received this as a gift. It costs $20 and you can get it on Amazon. It has an 80-watt heating coil. It also has a 1.5-liter storage compartment, and it claims you can make lunch in about 30 minutes. It comes with an insulated carry case that has some thermal wrapping on the inside. And you can see we have a handle, and on the top of the lid, there's a little compartment that actually has a metal fork and spoon. So you have your utensils with you. You're ready to go. This white circle on the top here is a vent. You would need to open that when you're heating, so this way air could escape. There are 4 latches on the lid that seal it and keep it closed for when you're transporting. So if you have liquids in there, it won't spill. And it also comes with this other container, and we have a standard wall plug and one for your cigarette lighter. The actual heating chamber is removable, and there seems to be like some non-stick coating on it on the inside. On the front here, we have a little power indicator. Once it would be plugged in, it would tell you that there's power and that it's hot. And over here, there's 2 different places where you would plug in your cord depending on which one you're using. It comes with instructions, and the Chinese to English translator must have been on the fritz that day because the words are translated, but you get the idea on what they're saying, but definitely it's not proper English. Okay, time for a maiden voyage. At work, I got myself a can of chili, and I decided to put it in and see what happens. Put the lid on, seal it up, and give it some time. See what temperature this thing actually goes to. Okay, roughly a half hour later, we pop open the lid. Let's see what we have. We got some food that's cooking here, and yeah, let's see how warm is it. 158, not too bad. Okay, in the center here, it's starting to stick, but everywhere else is good, but I can feel some resistance, like where it's sticking because it's possibly getting really hot in the center. Let's put the lid back on and give it a couple minutes, and we'll see if it gets up to temperature. 38 minutes later. Okay, pop the lid off. Let's see what we have. Okay, food temperature is supposed to be 165 degrees in order for it to be considered heated. Food was actually pretty yummy. And once I got done eating it, I figured, let's see what cleanup's like. I was really concerned about where it was sticking at the bottom of the pot, and I really didn't want to deal with any scrubbing or damage to it. Overall, I'm very happy with this. I'm going to use it. I hope it lasts, and definitely I would recommend buying this. It's a large enough container, so if you had a big appetite or you wanted to heat up a lot of food, you most certainly could. The cigarette lighter adapter makes it good too, so you can travel in the car and heat with it, like if you're at a construction site or if you're traveling from one location to another. And overall, the quality, I mean, for $20, you really can't complain about this. Please like, subscribe, share this. Trying to get the word out. And yeah, I receive no compensation for this. I'm just trying to share information and build the channel a little bit. Thanks for watching.